Hello all office executives, I am presented with this data and what I am being asked is that based on the product find the total sales. So without changing the data, how can we achieve that? The product name will be given in here, suppose monitor, and the total sales of the monitor will be shown in this particular cell. How to achieve that? So if we do it manually, we need a helper column of tot sale, tot means total sales. Then you need to multiply the price with the product with the quantity and then dragging it all the way across to the down, and then we can use the SUMIF function. So let me write it in here, sum if. So we'll be doing equal to sum if. So the range is this one, this is the range, and the criteria is monitor, and the sum range is this one. So let me just see what the value comes up. It's 789568. At the end of the video I'll be showing that I'll be just arranging monitor in a sorted order, and then I'll be showing you that whether this SUMIF function is showing exact value or not. But we have another one, instead of just creating another column total sale and then going for the SUMIF, we have a inbuilt function in Excel known by the name of equal to sum product, and it is asking for the array. So each of these items means 1 2 3 3 7, it would be multiplied with array 1 will be multiplied with the quantity. So 1 2 3 3 7 will be multiplied with 18, followed by adding up 25432 multiplied by 15. So summing up the product of these two cell values, then adding them up. That's how sum product works. But we will be giving a criteria. For giving a criteria, we will be giving two hyphens, then bracket open from this range of cell, and we will be just equal to this range of cell when it is equal to this one, this monitor. We'll be closing the braces, another braces close, and hit enter 789568. Now let's check whether the two of the values are showing correctly or not. We'll be going to the custom sort section, and from there we'll be selecting product and then go to OK. So here are the values of the monitor. We need to add these numbers up. So we can simply do equal to sum and adding this number, selecting the range of cell, and then hit enter 789568. So that's how sum product, and so that's how sum product function works. So before ending the video, let me again show you how I did sum product. It would be multiplying B2 B14 and then the corresponding array C2 C14. So B2 multiplied by C2 adding up with B3 multiplied with C3 adding up with B4 multiplied with C4, and the criteria would be from the range of cell, that is from the product range. This is the range of the products in which monitor, CPU and all other items are being written. It would be just I mean, from this range of cell, when the criteria matches equal to E4, that is the monitor, only then this sum product would take place. And for SUMIF, we already know how SUMIF works. So this is the range of cell and this is the criteria, that the criteria is monitor, and sum range is within this D2 to D14 range. Whenever it matches with the value E4, then only SUMIF would take place. So that's all for this video, office executives, and let me know you all guys that which one would you prefer. Instead of creating another helper column known by the name of total sales and then going in for the SUMIF, or would you be using sum product? Which one do you find more effective? That's all for this Excel video guys. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.